In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your first GitHub repository and push to GitHub on Linux. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into the process. First and foremost, you want to open your terminal and navigate to your project directory. You can do this by using the cd command followed by the path to your project. If your project isn't already a Git repository, don't worry, we'll get that set up. If you have Git version 2.28 or newer, you'll initialize your local repository with the command git init-b main. This sets your main branch from the get-go. If you're using an older version of Git, you'll just type git init, and then to specify the default branch, you'll need to run git symbolic ref head ref/heads main. This will handle things for you. Now that your local repository is set, let's stage and commit your files. You can do this simply by typing git add. This command stages all the files in your current directory. After that, you'll want to commit those changes, and you can do that with git commit-m first commit. The message in quotes is just a brief note that's describing what this commit is doing, which helps keep your project organized. Next up, we're going to create a repository on GitHub. Head over to any GitHub page and look to the upper right corner. You'll see a Create menu there. Click on it, and then choose New Repository. Here you'll be prompted to fill in the repository name, provide a description, and choose the visibility, public or private. If you'd like, you can also add a README file at this stage. This README can serve as a helpful guide for anyone who visits your project. For those who prefer a command line approach, you can also use the GitHub CLI. Simply run the command gh repo create -source equals public push. This will create your repository on GitHub and push all your initial code at the same time. Now we want to connect your local Git repository to the one you just created on GitHub. On your new repo's quick setup page on GitHub, you'll find a remote URL, be it HTTPS or SSH, just copy that link. Then back in your terminal, set the remote with the command git remote add origin remote URL. Just replace remote URL with the URL you copied earlier. You can verify that this was done correctly by typing git remote v, which will show you the remotes associated with your local repository. Once that's done, the final step is to push your changes. Type git push-u origin main. Just a quick note, if your default branch isn't called main, make sure to replace it with your branch's name. After executing this command, your code should now be live on GitHub. To verify that everything went smoothly, just open your repository on GitHub to check out the commit history and files. Alternatively, you can also run git remote show origin in your local terminal to get the details. And that's all there is to it. Your project is now hosted on GitHub, and your local branch is perfectly tracking the remote. If you have any questions or need additional resources, don't hesitate to check the links I've mentioned in the description. Happy coding!